Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be giving you new codes of Dress to Impress game in Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to click on this uh, redeem code here, and now you have to tap your first code. The first code is LANA Lana. Click button. We unlock these things. So we got these things. So now let's move to the next code, and the next code is LEAHESHE. This is the next code, and we got these hoodies and pants. Let's go back to the next code, and the next code is TEKKYOOZ. Click on click button, and we got this bag. Let's go back to next code, and the next code is DOLLISTA. Dolista. Click on this code is invalid. We have used three code till now. Let me try this one if it worked. Cherry. This is also invalid code. So the first three code are working. Hope you like it. These are the code you can redeem as soon as possible before it goes expire. Like it. Thanks for watching.